mat, and then I would do this little dot here. So here you've got just like that. You've got it. Okay, and that's called an apostrophe. Can you say that? Apostrophe. Yes. Good. And it breaks the sentence into pieces. Yeah. That's a T. So, now when I'm writing A, this is the way I like to write it. That's how I write an A. But you can do it that way too.
I like to see.
There are two ways of doing it. But I always find it's easier to do it this way. Can you go like this, see? So if you just go around, it's just it's the way it's almost like a U. Then you cover it like that. But you can do it that way. Still, your writing's still good. Yeah, nice. Is oops. Now because I've what I'll do is I'll write that word again because oops, I'm using your pen. That's it. Because I've not zoomed in, it looks like they're too close together. So let me write that word again and then you can copy it. Begins with B. Belt. Belt. Now, how would you spell belt? I've already told you the first, yeah? B. Think of the... Belt. Belt. So that's going to be the last letter. Okay. Belt. So B, belt, B, belt, B, 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 yeah. Bell, So move the T to the right again, and that's it. You've got just 4 letters. Belt. Okay.